What's up, everyone? Luxide here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. This has definitely been an interesting week so far, and this news here just piles on top of it. So we're going to go ahead and dive right in. But before we do, if you are new to the channel or haven't already, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, show your love for the channel. We got tons of content coming your way. Also, make sure you hit the bell. Again, you'll get notified anytime any of that awesome content is live for your viewing pleasure. So this article says, despite being on the run, Terra Luna founder transfers $250,000 worth of USDC to an unknown wallet. Wow. Now, why is this important? Okay, if you're not familiar with Kwon, he is the creator and founder of Terra Luna as well as UST, which was the stablecoin, right? And earlier this year, they went through just an epic collapse, all right? Prices just dropping at crazy rates, 99%, people losing tons and tons of money. So there has been obviously a lot of people that have, wanted Kwon, wanted his head, they wanted him locked up, and they want to see some sort of penance for his, for what he did, right? What he helped, what he caused to help happen. So there are people that are obviously monitoring his wallets, and why this is important is he had actually told, investigators, the community earlier this year that he had actually lost almost all of his money or most of his money when these things collapsed. So he has obviously showed that, he doesn't always tell the truth. Now, what he did come out and say earlier this year, I'm kind of just bouncing around this article, by the way. What he did say actually a week ago is, we had found out that there was actually an arrest warrant that was issued for him in South Korea. Now, he came out and said that he was actually working with the government, he's cooperating, okay? But they shortly thereafter debunked that he was not actually, working with them. So now he's basically a fugitive. He's a man on the run. Okay. At least allegedly, right? Allegedly is a fugitive and a man on the run. So there are people now that are monitoring these wallets that they know are associated to him, and he is moving money around. And the most recent being the $250,000. Now, this is obviously just a drop in the bucket of what he has, because it shows that he has about $30 million available still in crypto. Now, obviously, they are, hoping that they can, that prosecutors can apprehend him and bring him to justice, because obviously there's, again, some kind of repayment that they want to help take care of the people that were obviously hurt, because there's a lot of people obviously that, lost their life savings because of, this man, right? Now, I luckily was not one of them. I was not in, Terra Luna or UST or anything like that. And I hope you weren't as well. But, if you were, and if you are watching this video, I really hope that there's something that can be done to help you be made whole again. And it all starts with this. So obviously news just obviously wanted to bring this information to you guys. Hope you guys appreciate the update. We'll obviously keep an eye on this as we move forward. I'm sure there'll be news. You can't hide forever, right? Unless you're Tupac. Okay. So hope you guys have a great one. Appreciate you stopping out. Again, if you haven't already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, just like you see below. Again, you'll get notified anytime content is live on our channel. So hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I really hope to catch you in the next one. Take care, guys.